How to add a digital time widget on your home screen. This is for the Nothing phone running Android 15. To add a digital time widget, you go ahead and long press like this here, and you're going to see the widgets option show up for you on your Nothing phone. This is with Nothing OS 3, by the way. And when you go into the widgets option, you'll see a bunch of different widgets like these here. And the one you're looking for would be the one that has like a time. Okay, so you can go with the clock option here, or you can search in the widgets if you don't see the one that you saw earlier here, and just go with clock. All right, so and you'll see different clock options. You can go with this one here. When you type it in, you're going to see this one here. Also, if you don't see this one here, you can go into the Play Store. I'll show you later on. So you tap on this one here and press add widget, and it's going to appear like this here. You can choose either one of the options, the solid or transparent one. It's up to you. Okay, now once you have it to show up like this here, you can expand on these, and that's going to make it get bigger for you. Okay, now if you go into the Play Store here, just no thanks here, just type in Google clock. Okay, just type that in, and you'll see that you have this installed or not, and you can just go ahead and install it. I need to update mine, but once you have it installed and you go into the widgets section, you can search clock and you'll see what you just saw a while ago, and that'll allow you to add this here. You can also long press it and make changes to it, like you can resize it. You can see how it has a resize option, and you can also remove it if you don't want it. Okay, so resizing and then removing it if you don't like it. And that's that. Like and sub.